my social meter is low. It gets low. I'm on E. There we go. What's up, beautiful? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Brittany. If you are new here, welcome. On this channel, we talk about everything business, lifestyle, faith, and inspiration. But today, we are going to have a personal one-on-one conversation, woman to woman. And the reason why I want to do this sit down style conversation, because I feel like these are some of the things that are not talked about enough. So today we're going to talk about a mom social meter. One of the things that I found when it came to being a mom and getting to know people and making new friends and having mommy friends, it takes a lot of energy and a lot of effort. It takes a lot of out of you as a mom. It can. And here's why. I feel that as moms, we give so much to our children. We give so much to our husbands. We don't really have capacity for a lot of outside noise. So anyone else outside of my family, outside of my kids, it really feels like it is draining. It's a pull, it's a tug, it's too much for me to do. And I realized because I'm giving so much to my kids, I'm giving so much to my husband, I'm giving so much spending time with myself, for myself, that everything else on the outside just seems like extra. And I really don't have time for extra. So if you are in that position as a mom, as a new mom, I just want to let you know that you're not alone, that it's normal for you to feel this way. And here is some of the things that I think that has helped me along the way. Is number one, identifying that this is what this is. I am a very social person. Typically, I am just like a social butterfly. And I was having trouble with, why am I feeling like this? Why am I feeling like I don't really want to make new friends? I don't really want to go to the social events that I'm invited to. And I had to realize that I'm in a different place in my life. I'm in a different season in my life. In this season in my life, I am focusing on my relationship with God, my family, my kids, my husband, my relationships that I already have, continuing to nurture them, like my relationship with my mom, my brother, my best friends. That takes a lot of energy and effort. And everything else, the new stuff, the new social stuff, is just, it could be too much. It could become too much real fast, okay? So I had to identify that and call it what it was. Like, this is what's going on with me. And I had to be okay with that. I had to make myself okay with that, accepting that this is where I am in my life right now, and these are my priorities, and it is what it is, taking the pressure off of myself. I would get super anxious whenever it came time for me to go to an event. I would be flustered, frustrated. I don't know what to wear. I don't know thinking about my makeup, thinking about my hair. Am I doing too much? Am I not doing enough? Just really going back and forth in my head about certain things. And that let me know that this is not for you. This is not what you're supposed to be doing. This is not supposed to be this hard. It's supposed to be fun, effortless, easy. It should not have these negative feelings attached to it. And because it had all of these negative feelings attached to it, I had to realize that this is not the season for that. And so it really helped me when I was able to recognize what was happening in my body it made me realize that it's time to set some boundaries for yourself and for other people. Not necessarily mean that other people are doing anything wrong. They're inviting you because they like you, they see light in you, they see someone who they want to hang out with. Those things are all great things, but it's affecting you in a negative way. What are you going to do about it? So one of the things that I realized I had to do is set some boundaries for myself, for the people around me, so that I could be happy. Say no. It's okay to say no with nothing attached. You know, I'm not going to be able to go to this event. My social meter is low. It gets low. I'm on E. So yeah, so when my social meter is low, I have to realize that I have to say no. My social meter is low. And I don't have to tell that person that. I could just verbalize that by saying, you know, no, I'm not going to be able to make it to this event. Because what I like to do is say yes when my social meter is full and I can do all the things and be with everybody in all the places at the same time. And so I like to say yes because I want to do it. Then my social meter begins to decline when the event comes and I'm on E the day of the event. When I really should have said, we'll see if my schedule permits, or to say no. Especially with me realizing that in this season in my life, going to an event, doing extra things may not be the right thing for me to do right now, just because it takes so much out of me. But that's some of the things that I'm learning as a stay-at-home mom. That's some of the things that I'm learning as a 38-year-old woman. Just being able to realize when my social meter is low, why it's low, and what I need to do about it. I don't know. If you've ever been in this position, or if you have any advice, comments, please leave them down below because I would love to hear your advice on this. Let me know if you've ever felt anything like this. Leave me a comment down below and let me know. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss another Brittany Ingram upload. And I'll talk to you later. Bye, beautiful.